Sexism. Now repeat after me. Sexism. Sexism. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning: sexism refers to prejudice, discrimination, or unfair treatment based on a person's sex or gender. It often involves beliefs or actions that promote inequality, especially against women, but can affect anyone based on their gender. Sexism can occur in workplaces, schools, media, and society at large, shaping opportunities and perceptions unfairly. Think of it like this: sexism creates barriers for people simply because of their gender, leading to inequality and limited opportunities. In a sentence, she fought against sexism in her workplace, advocating for equal pay and respect. Here, sexism refers to the unfair treatment she experienced because of her gender. Let's try another example. The movie explores themes of sexism and the impact it has on society. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence. Some related terms for sexism are gender discrimination, unfair treatment based on a person's gender, gender bias, a tendency to favor one gender over another unfairly. Antonyms: the opposite of sexism would be gender equality, treating all genders equally in rights, opportunities, and respect. Inclusivity, actively ensuring fairness and opportunity for everyone, regardless of gender. Part of speech. Sexism is a noun referring to discrimination or prejudice based on gender. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.